So the first equipment which is easily available in your house are the water bottles. Now you can easily grip water bottles till 2 liter, and you can replace any of the exercises which you were doing previously using the dumbbells by using the water bottles. To increase the weight of water bottle, you can fill it with the sand. In that case, the weight of water bottle will increase by the multiplying factor of 1.7. So the 1 kg water bottle will become 1.7 kg. Similarly, the 2 kg water bottle will become 3.4 kgs. If you don't have sand currently available with you, you can look around in your kitchen and replace the sand with any of the denser material available in your kitchen. To increase the weight of water bottle more, you can add water along with the sand in the water bottle. In that case, the multiplying factor will become somewhere around 1.9. Few things to keep in mind while choosing water bottle. First thing is the thickness of the wall of the water bottle should be sufficient enough that it can take the additional load of the sand. Second point is your water bottle should easily fit in your arms so that it doesn't fall out while performing the exercise. And the last point is the cap of the water bottle should be properly sealed, and if needed you can have additional disco tape around it so that the smaller sand particle doesn't come out while performing the exercise. Next equipment that can be used for weight training are the water cans or oil cans. Make sure you are using the water can which is having handle which can be used to grip it. With water, weight of this can is around 5 kg, and if I fill sand in it, it comes around 8 to 9 kg, somewhere in between. Next equipment easily available in your house are the backpacks. Now this is very handy tool in the current situation. Put books or water bottles in the bag and you can vary the weight of this bag. Make sure you are checking all the joints of the bag because those are the weakest link from where your bag can break. Next equipment in the list are the towels. You can use towels for two purposes, one for the stretching and other is for the strength training. During weight training, a towel won't add any resistance to your exercise, but you can use it to create a sliding motion while doing the body weight exercises. Let me show you how. Here I am showing you just one example of how towel can be used for the stretching purpose. This category of equipment is trolley, suitcase or handbag available in your house. You can fill it with any load, maybe books, water bottles, fruits, detergent powder. You can fill it with anything, and the good thing is that you can vary the load of it from 2 kgs till 30 kgs very safely. Make sure you are choosing the trolley bag or handbag, one with the good belt so that it can be gripped properly. Done. Next equipment in the list are the buckets. Now buckets are of different sizes, so you can actually manipulate the weight in the different categories, and you can fill the buckets with books, water or any heavy stuff that you have. Just make sure the handle of the bucket is good, and while filling the bucket with water, make sure you are filling it by the capacity of 70 to 80% only, so that while we are performing any exercise the water doesn't fall out of the bucket. Old tires available in your house can become very handy when it comes to home exercises. Just search on YouTube workout using tires and you will find list of exercises, and you will understand that you can literally train all of your muscle using just one tire. Own body weight is a good load that can be used to train different muscles. But in case of beginners or for people who are on the heavier side of weight, doing body weight exercises is a challenge. So in such case, progression comes into picture. Let me show you by example how the progression of the push-ups can be done to increase the load on the chest muscle over the period of time.